Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make cottage cheese. So let's get started. I've got here 2 liters of full cream milk, quarter cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt and some water for rinsing the cheese. You will also need a big dish, a colander or you can use a strainer, a cheesecloth or you can use any clean cloth and a perforated spoon. Place the colander inside a large dish, line it with the cheesecloth and put it aside. Take a pot, add milk, put it on medium heat and heat it, stirring it occasionally. You do not want to boil the milk. Just heat it until the bubbles start to form around the edges and the milk becomes frothy. Turn the heat off, add salt and lemon juice and give it a mix. Put the lid on, move it away from the heat and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, use a perforated spoon to scoop the cheese and place it in the colander and let it drain for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, grab the cloth on the top and twist it to squeeze excess liquid out. Open the cheesecloth again and pour about 1.5 cups of water to rinse the cheese and squeeze excess water out. Transfer the cheese into a dish, break it into small pieces using a spoon and it is ready to use. I like to serve my cottage cheese on crackers with a slice of tomato, some salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil drizzled on the top. Or you can serve it with some oysters on the top as well. Leftover cottage cheese can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 7 days. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.